लोग आपको इमरान हाशमी के बजाय अब हिटमैन हाशमी कहने लगे हैं. Your comment on that?
It's better than serial kisser.
बॉक्स ऑफिस पे आपका ब्लैक मैजिक चल रहा है.
अरे मैजिक बोलिए ना, ब्लैक मैजिक. शनाया का ब्लैक मैजिक चलता है, लेकिन बिपाशा का मैजिक चलता है.
एक फर्क है आज की तारीख में आप में और सलमान में कि सलमान बिना किस के 100 करोड़ के आंकड़े को पार करते हैं.
But I think I'm luckier because I'm kissing and crossing that mark. So I think I'm luckier than Salman. He's very unfortunate he doesn't get to kiss. Ask me, I'm very lucky.
इस बार 2 सेक्सी लड़कियों ने लोगों को इतना डराया, ये क्या कमाल हुआ?
इससे साबित होता है कि सेक्सी लड़कियां डराती हैं.
Bipasha Basu, Imran Hashmi and Isha Gupta were all in the party mood after Raaz 3's success as they got together to celebrate.
This film is an extraordinary journey because I see the flowering of this boy called Imran Hashmi. This boy who was written off as stillborn is a self-made guy. He's a determined guy who's going to scale higher and higher and touch dizzying heights. So the brand Imran is here to stay.
Actually, I've become a lot richer today because I had a bet with Bhatt Saab. We had a bet and I predicted that the film would do 35 crores on the weekend. And I just feel a lot richer today. So I'm just waiting for the check, the cash or whatever it is. I've not got it yet. I hope I get it soon. I hope the briefcase is there.
Oh, we'll take the money from Imran. He is the one who he's got 5 back-to-back hits. He has to buy me and Isha some really, really nice presents.
I'm going to start distributing that after this event is over. I can't say this enough, that Raaz as a brand has been very special to me. The first Raaz got me into the game. The second Raaz kept me in the game. And the third Raaz, I'm on top of the game. Thank you.
Bipasha, as I said in my write-up, they say there are 4 seasons in the life of an actor. First, when they think the actor has potential, then they say, oh, the actor has arrived, then they say, oh, the actor is finished, and finally they say, he or she is back. Bipasha has gone through all the 3 cycles and now touched the 4th cycle. She is back, and how?
I believe that in life I have 2 really strong words, which are my strongest prayer. That's thank you. Thank you to all of you. Raaz 3 is extremely, extremely important for me in terms of an actor because I'm on that stage of a career where I'm fierce, that I want to stay as an actor, I want to do good work, and I'm happy that, we got a blockbuster.
Isha, she made an unsure start on the streets of Delhi with Jannat, but she charmed her way into hearts.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mukesh sir, because I remember when there was an issue with the casting of Sanjana, and Mukesh sir was the one who said, in a very casual tone that he always has, let's take Isha. Isha ko le lete hai, kar legi. And I was already doing Jannat at that time. And I was really scared and skeptical about my own self because I didn't know if I can do it because Jannat was comparatively an easy role for me, and I was still, I think, trying to figure where I stand and what I can do. My father picked up the call after Jannat and he said, it's really nice, but acha karna next time. And he picked up the call at this time and said, you made me really proud. And I think that's the biggest comment for me, the compliment.
Raaz 3 is the stuff dreams are made of. And this dream is indeed a dream that I am living at this moment. And for that, I thank this bright, lovely boy, Vikram, who has made this dream possible. Come, Vikram.
It was a promise that I said, like I said, I made to Bhatt Saab that he sent me a message before we started the film, and he said, if this film is not a blockbuster, I will not forgive you. And am I glad this is a blockbuster?
Is it true that this is your biggest hit till date, Imran?
Yes, it is.
Bigger than The Dirty Picture as well?
It
Yeah,
is.
Dirty Pictures
Yes,
was 51, this was 56 first
Yes,
week.
it is.
All right, congratulations on
Let me have the pleasure to say I'm 5 crores above them.
And it's a film that's made in almost 1/3 or 1/4 of the cost of other films that clock in these numbers.
And there's one man who kept on saying this right from day one. That's Bhatt Saab. That we are going to have a blockbuster, and he's kept his promise. And yeah, I'm just a happy girl.
I hope the film touches the wonder figure that we're 100 crores.
We are going for the 100 crore, and I'm sure of it.
तो आप खुद अब 100 करोड़ के आसपास पहुंचने वाले हैं. अब क्या ओपनिंग है?
मुझे लगता है कि पहुंच ही गए. आसपास क्यों कहते हो यार? मगर संडे का जो आंकड़ा है वो डिटरमिन करेगा कि हम छाती टोकते हुए बाहर निकलें कि हाँ कह दें कि भैया जैसे माँ की तरह 99 पे आउट हो गए कि गावस्कर की तरह 100 बना दिया. ये देखना है.
I think without that one person, this film would have been incomplete. And I think this is, that person made the best special appearance any film could ever have.
इस फिल्म की सक्सेस के पीछे 3D टेक्निक का कितना योगदान का मानते हैं आप?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. अब ये समझ में आया है कि हम लोग को ऐसी 3D पसंद है जहाँ चीज़ें उड़ के आए. तो अब के तो थोड़ी चीज़ें उड़ाई हैं, अभी नेक्स्ट फिल्म में तो बहुत सी उड़ाएंगे.
Yeah, like Bhatt Saab said, always, self-doubt is the road to discovery. And I'm a kind of person, I doubt myself at times as a person, as an actor, and kind of learn through it.
I got a message from a young man from Dharavi. He stays in the slums of Dharavi, who normally comes and sees my film after, just when it's completed. And he sent me the message repeating the dialogue which Shagufta had suggested of Bashir Badr, the great poet, which says कि खुदा हमको ऐसी खुदाई न दे कि अपने सिवा कुछ दिखाई न दे. The takeaway is that you have seen the journey of a narcissistic, self-obsessed star, power drunk. So I think that in essence is the takeaway. That's why New York Times also says it has a neat message. And what is amazing is that the critique of New York Times gets the message, and my indigenous Mumbaikar from Dharavi gets that message.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.